Describe the range of vegetative thallus organizations in different groups of algae. Uh, the the range of algal thallus. The range of algal thallus organizations uh, spans from simple unicellular to complex multicellular structure, mm, including colonial filamentous, Ephenius, and Branchiomitis forms. And Branchiomitis unicellular algae can be motile or non-motile, while colonial algae exist as aggregates of cells, and filamentous algae forms chain of cells, ठीक, which can be unbranched or branched, branched. And Siphoneous algae have a large multinucleated, non-separated, and coenetic thalamus, and Branchiomitis forms consist of a group of cells forming a tissue-like structure, unicellular motile, single cells with flagella. Example Chlamydomonas, emboid movement. Example rhizoidal types. And non-motiles, single cells lack flagella and remain stationary. Example cylindrocytes. इसके बाद फिर क्या चाहिए, colonial है ना, colonial description. The group of unicellular cells inherit together in a common matrix and miscellaneous and motiles. Motile cells that can be such as Volvex and Zonium and Volvex, and non-motile colonized with fix in a shape size like pedioestrum. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं, क्या था, फिलामेंटस है ना, फिलामेंटस का चले, the group of cells joins end to end forming a filament, ठीक, forming a filament. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं, क्या चले, branched है ना, branched unbranched का चले, moving branched का चले, unbranched नहीं किसी चले, branched का चले, branched unbranched filamentous that grow on branching Cladophora, and ऐसे ना हले unbranched single cells that can be Spirogora and Elothrix. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं से, क्या चीज़, heterotropics ना हले, heterotropics, colonial type of कैसे थले सर, colonial type of a complex type and Branchiomitis, Branchiomitis showing a division of labor. Example Ectocarpus. इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं, सिकासे हले Siphonaceous. descriptions न हले, description का हले, a large elongated coenetic structure with cross walls and containing multiply nuclei in a common cytoplasm. Example Bacteria. Answer complete.